Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to uninstall Riot Client Windows 11. To start, click Start and then open Settings. After this, you are going to go to Apps and click on Installed Apps. There, locate Valorant and click on the three dots. Then, click Uninstall and confirm again in Valorant. As you can see, a wizard will open. Wait for Valorant to be uninstalled. After that, in the search box enter %, app data, %, click on File folder. In the window that opens, go to App Data and open the local folder. Now open the Riot Games folder and there you will select the Install Valorant folder. Click Delete. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.